Sadakta na asante Martin Maruti kwa taarifa hiyo. Kwingineko ni kwamba afisi ya msajili wa vyama vya kisiasa humu nchini ORPP imewapa mafunzo viongozi wa vyama vya kisiasa katika kaunti ya Uasin Gishu kuhusu tayari na kujiandaa kwa uchaguzi mkuu wa mwaka 2027, yakilenga mtazamaji wa mafunzo hayo, yakilenga sheria za vyama vya kisiasa, sheria za uchaguzi, maadili ya uchaguzi na masuala ya kuzingatiwa kisheria. Mwandishi wetu ambaye ni Mwanagenzi Christina Vesa anasimulia.
Mratibu wa ORPP kanda ya North Rift, Hassan Maloba, alisema mafunzo hayo yanalenga kuwawezesha maafisa wa vyama kuongoza ipasavyo na kuelewa vigezo vya kufuzu kupata mfuko wa vyama vya siasa.
Today we are conducting a training of our political party officials, parties with presence within Uasin Gishu County. This training is key that it will equip political party officials with the knowledge they need in ensuring that they are leading political parties in their counties well. The training entails taking the officials through the registration process just to appreciate the journey that political parties move from the first step of name search and submission of particulars to the last stage of full registration.
Maloba alisisitiza umuhimu wa ushirikishwaji wa vijana, wanawake na watu wenye ulemavu katika uongozi wa vyama kama sehemu ya uzingatiaji wa sheria.
Training also covers the compliance areas that ORPP looks at and expects political parties to abide by these compliance areas. Thirdly, the training looks at the political parties fund and the criteria that political parties are subjected to qualify to the political parties fund. We also look at the nomination procedures and criteria within political parties. Currently, we are running the trainings in 13 regions that are started today, targeting different groups. The first day, which is today, we are targeting political party officials. Tomorrow, we are targeting women leaders within the 13 regions. On Wednesday, we are targeting youth leaders. On Thursday, we'll be having a training for the PWDs. And on Friday, we'll have a training for the civil society organizations. Actually, the office conducts trainings to political parties, basically starting through the registration process, where the officials are trained on the processes, how to register a political party, the expectations. We also do trainings for the party officials, fully registered political parties. This is one of them, and it's a platform where they can afford to comb their knowledge on the requirements of the ORPP office and how to be able to lead political parties within their counties well.
Afisa msimamizi wa uchaguzi wa IEBC katika eneo bunge la Kese, Matthew Kepchanger, alisema tume bado inalenga kusajili wapiga kura wapya milioni 3.8 kabla ya uchaguzi mkuu wa 2027 na kuwataka Wakenya kujiandikisha mapema.
Ours as IEBC is to give out education, further education to the political parties about our preparedness for 2027 general election. They have quite a number of questions of what is they require. We have informed them about the continuous voter registration going on in our offices. Previously, between March and April, we had enhanced voter registration, which we did our best as Uasin Gishu and attained our target. We are now preparing for the next ECVR2, which will come towards the end of the year. And ours is to inform all political parties, all interested stakeholders, to assist us in conveying information to our electorates, to the young Kenyans, to register as voters. We have also informed them to tell the young people also to get the IDs in good time, so that the moment we start, they are ready to register.
Akifungua mafunzo hayo, kamishna wa kaunti ya Uasin Gishu, Daktari Edison Nyale, aliwahimiza viongozi wa vyama kujifunza kutoka kwa wenzao na kudumisha amani na umoja nchini inapojiandaa kwa uchaguzi ujao. Nikiripotia runinga ya Nyota, mimi ni Christine Aveza.
Asante sana Mwanagenzi. Basi